Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Easter marble cake. It's a white cake recipe colored with bright, pretty colors made into a marble effect, and the cake is decorated with frosting grass and Easter candy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 10-inch round cake pan, or you can use two 9-inch pans. Line it with a circle of parchment paper and set it aside for now. Then into a sifter over the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer if you don't have a stand mixer. Add in the cake flour, baking powder, and salt. Sift the ingredients into the bowl and add in the softened butter and mix it on low speed for 2 minutes until the mixture is combined. Then add in the sugar and about half of the milk that's at room temperature. Mix them on low speed until combined. Then beat it on medium speed for another 2 minutes. Scraping down the sides when needed. Then in a separate small bowl, add in the rest of the milk, egg whites that are at room temperature, vanilla extract, and almond extract, which is optional, and whisk them until they're well combined. Add about 1/3 of the wet ingredients into the rest of the mixture. Mix it on low speed until it's combined. Scrape down the sides and continue mixing. Add in another 1/3 of the wet ingredients. Mix it in. Scrape down the sides and continue mixing. Add in the rest of the wet ingredients. Mix it in. Scrape down the sides and continue mixing. Then beat the mixture on medium speed for another minute. And finish it by hand to mix in all the ingredients. Divide the batter into 3 or 4 separate bowls. Leave some batter still in the bowl for white batter. And color the batter whatever color you like, making them a bright pastel color. I'm doing pink, yellow, purple, and green. And this white cake recipe is great for coloring because the finished batter can be mixed for up to 5 minutes without the cake coming out tough, so you don't have to worry about over-mixing while you color the batter. Then add spoonfuls of each color batter into the prepared pan, adding each color right on top of it. And keep going until all the batter is used up. Shake the pan so the batter covers the inside, and tap it a few times to level it out and get rid of air bubbles. and bake it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. If you're using two 9-inch pans, bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. Then you're going to need 3/4 of a batch of my best ever vanilla buttercream frosting, or a full batch if you're making two 9-inch cake layers. I'll put a link to my video showing how to make this in the description box. I'll even put the measurements for 3/4 of the recipe in the description box too. Once your cake is completely cooled, run a butter knife around the edges to loosen it from the pan. Turn it out of the pan and remove the parchment paper from underneath. Then transfer the cake to your serving plate and cover it in a layer of frosting. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's all going to be covered in grass frosting. Color the remaining frosting green. Then place it into a piping bag fitted with a grass piping tip. If you don't have piping bags or tips, you can just use a regular plastic bag. Place the frosting into the bag. Spread it down to one corner. And then you would just have to poke a bunch of holes into the bag using a toothpick or skewer. Then pipe the frosting all over the cake to make it look like grass. Then decorate the top with the Easter candy of your choice. I have a big chocolate bunny, a few small chocolate bunnies, spring sprinkles, jelly bean eggs, and M&M eggs. Just use whatever Easter candy you have. And when you cut into it, it will reveal the marble effect inside. And that's how to make an Easter marble cake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.